my name is Julie and I live in Coors Gold, California. I wanted to give you a tour of our tough shed. Around the back of our tough shed, we've added some space for cute little greenhouse and then a fire pit. So it just makes a really nice, enjoyable space for us. We did the double doors on the exterior. Love them. Very easy access into our tough shed. And we added these nice little windows on top just for some added light inside. We use our tough shed for brewing beer, doing arts and crafts, and then also I do gardening. Very versatile. We added a little air conditioner. I did the interior using corrugated tin, and then we also have the loft. We have some antiques up there, and then we also use it for storage space. It's just really great family time in our tough shed. Nice little space for that. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tour. Have a great day.